This Maxtrax that I got from Dubizel. It's a second-hand, used, but pretty much still in good condition. But there is some burned marks, which is fine. Not that much. It's not really that burned up to the flat surface of the Maxtrax. But the other side is perfect. Same with the other side. Some burn marks on the other half, and the other half is really in good shape. The problem now is how to fix it. I look at the internet and it will cost me around 300 to 400 dirhams, which is really not an option for me. It's a bit expensive. So I will think of a way how to mount this without breaking the bank. So stay with me. We will going to have another project. Okay, so this will be the materials that we are going to use. All of these are from scrap. I didn't buy anything. This is how it looks like before the painting. I just cut this end and painted it into silver just to match the existing color of the roof rack, and some bunch of bolts and nuts that I have accumulated from the previous projects, and let's see if the plan will work. So here's where we are going to fix it. So looking at it, I found an obstacle or a problem. This one, we have to remove it, because if you can see this side, it's only one piece, and if I put the other one, it will hit the top of this roof rack, and the other thing, it will be difficult to remove if we are going to use it. So we have to remove this. We have to remove this part. Let's see how it goes. There. Remove the top part. Let's plan the next step, and I will get back to you. This is what we have done so far. And we just trimmed a piece of this roof rack, this black part, this plastic part that is securing all the ends of the roof rack. By the way, a friend advised me to reinforce this part of the rack because it's not really that thick, although it's stiff, but it's really not that thick. So what we did is reinforced it with some metal plates. This one, we reinforce it so it will not really shake that much. We are now going to test it if this is easy to return or easy to remove when we are going to use it. So let's try it. Perfect. So easy to remove, easy to put back. Going to remove 2 pieces again. Here we go. This is the only downside of this mount that I noticed. It's going to take you a few minutes, although it's not a big deal, but if I can find a way how to make this a quick release kind of thing, it will be better. So there you have it.